Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Unlimited. I'm Vandana and today I'm going to show you a very simple, healthy and an absolutely delicious recipe of oven grilled vegetables. So let's start. All we need is zucchinis and some mushrooms and carrots, onion shallots, assorted capsicums, broccoli, tomatoes and ideally baby potatoes. And for the dressing, we need olive oil, paprika or red chili flakes, oregano seasoning, some salt, garlic cloves and lemon. Are you a new visitor? Please subscribe to my channel and do click the bell icon for an uninterrupted supply of my videos. Preheat your OTG or oven at around 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I have cut the onion shallots into two halves, but you can put them whole as well. Now it's time to mix all the vegetables in a big bowl. You can also add cauliflower florets, beans and peas. This recipe is very good for weight loss and it also promotes good health. Time for dressing. Pour some amount of olive oil in a bowl. Crush the garlic cloves so that its juice and flavor can get infused in the oil. Mix the crushed garlic in the olive oil. Add some amount of salt and some chili flakes along with oregano seasoning and a dash of lemon juice and mix everything. Now we have to pour the dressing on the vegetables and mix everything again. That's it. It's that simple. This is the OTG tray. Just brush lightly with a little amount of oil so that the veggies don't stick to the bottom of the tray. I have added some more vegetables as I had extra, so I mixed them. This dish comes out so delicious that I can actually overeat. As I've added extra vegetables, that's why I'm adding more chili flakes and seasoning. And our tray is ready. Let's put the veggies in the oven. Increase the temperature to 250 degrees for half an hour to 40 minutes. Our 40 minutes are over and look at this. Isn't this dish absolutely to die for? It is so healthy and it tastes so great, believe me. If you like my video, do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.